I will give you 5 reasons for why you should stop buying Chinese phones. Chinese smartphone uses your data, that too with your consent, which you have given them unknowingly. Remember the first time you booted your new smartphone, you were being asked to accept privacy policy along with the agreement to send anonymous data for improving user experience. The chances are you don't remember. When you first booted a newly bought Chinese phone, you have given them consent to use your data. The excitement overtakes our sense and we agree for everything without reading agreements carefully. And we end up making an agreement to share our data. Most smartphone companies uses this technique to get consent for accessing your data. And the data is what which is most important in this era. Reason 2. Chinese smartphone brands like Xiaomi shows ads on your phone. I'm not talking about in-app ads that appears inside an app. I'm talking about the ads which appears on stock Android UI. These ads appears whether you are using any app or not. You didn't bought phone to get bombarded with ads, right? We get lured with the cheap price. We get attracted by the cheap price and end up getting ads on our phone without any reason. Chinese companies first attract users by lowering the phone price and then compensate it by showing us the ads. Reason 3. They willingly slow down your phones with updates and bloatwares that you don't even notice getting done. This Chinese brand launches new models phones every month and slow down your 6-month-old phone in the background so that you go and buy new phone with the latest improved processor and camera feature. This malicious process again gets repeated for your next phone when it gets 6 months old. They will again slow down your phones and you will be compelled to buy a new one. Reason 4. Pre-installed bloatwares. Mobile phones brand like Redmi, Oppo or Vivo comes with pre-installed apps like UC Browser, WeChat, TikTok and other China origin apps which again is not worth trusting. These apps had privacy related issue in the past and had bad reputation as well. The main concern is that Chinese branded phone doesn't allow uninstalling most of the application that comes with the phone. So it's better to stay away from this brand. Reason 5. Chinese brands are not reliable. Most of the Chinese gadgets get damaged very soon because of the cheap hardware used. I'm sure that it must have happened with you too. And mobile phone is something that we don't buy every month, right? So these are the 5 reasons why you should not buy Chinese phone. If you like this video, then hit like and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.